In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor not loading. If you've ever clicked edit with Elementor and the page just spins or freezes, the quickest way to troubleshoot is to check for a plugin conflict. We're going to do that in two simple phases. First with safe mode, then by selectively disabling plugins to pinpoint the culprit. I'll guide you through each part so you can get back to building without the guesswork. Start by turning on safe mode inside Elementor. From your WordPress dashboard, open Elementor, go to Tools, then select Safe Mode and enable it. This temporarily disables other plugins for your session while you work in the editor. It doesn't affect your visitors or change anything permanently on your live site, so it's safe to try. Now, load the page with Elementor again. If the editor opens normally, that's a strong sign there's a plugin conflict causing the issue when everything is active. With that clue in hand, the next step is to find exactly which plugin is responsible. Head to your plugins list and deactivate every plugin except Elementor. Keeping Elementor active is important so you can test the editor properly. Once that's done, try opening your page with Elementor again. If it loads now, you've confirmed the problem lies with one of the plugins you just turned off. To identify the exact one, reactivate your other plugins one at a time. After you turn a plugin back on, immediately test Elementor by opening the editor. Give each test a moment to fully load before moving on. Keep repeating this pattern. Activate a plugin, test Elementor, until Elementor stops loading again. The most recently reactivated plugin right before the problem returns is the conflicting plugin. When you've found the conflict, you have a clear path forward. You can leave that plugin deactivated if it's not essential, look for a compatible alternative that provides the same functionality, or check the plugin's support resources for known compatibility notes and fixes. Also, remember what safe mode showed you at the start. If Elementor worked fine there, your content and Elementor itself are likely okay, and the issue is specifically the interaction with another plugin. That's the full process. Enable safe mode to confirm a conflict, then systematically disable and re-enable plugins to isolate the exact cause. Follow it patiently, test after each change, and you'll resolve the loading issue with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your editor running smoothly again.